IIT Hyderabad has started skill development programs in various ways. First of its style is skill electrical wiring. So now here is only a mutual exchange of knowledge from your side and from our side. We are not having any expertise. Okay. You are having some expertise. Let us share it and then develop this type of batches so that in future, the people who are going to join and they will be benefited from this particular expertise. So that is most important. Even Vivekananda Swami has told, you acquire education, that education will become, okay, a part of your life. But don't just keep like that. You have to go on learning. Learning is lifelong. You are not supposed to this. So now see, for example, you say the people are drawing the 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs package in software. Yes. But if you join the job, if you say just to keep quiet, yes, I am getting 30 lakhs, he will not be there in that particular. He has to update every day. He has to learn so many packages. Then only he will accept. Otherwise, at the end of second year or third year, he will be removed. So, why they are surviving? Because they are updating the knowledge. Even you are, when you are in 10th class or intermediate or things, you try to learn and then expertise. See, when we are studying, we are used to go to the libraries and wait for a book and then used to learn and then make a note of it. Now it is not the case. Everything is in our farm. Take a book, that is, whatever, just mobile phone. You search, you will get lot of information. Anything, whatever you wanted. You spend, don't spend your time on reels. If you start a reel, it will continue for 3 to 4 hours. No addition in the knowledge. But now, for example, I want to learn about how to fix the fans. There are so many ways. And then you try to do it like this.